Hello guys, good morning. Today's video, may gagawin si nanay na pwede nyong simple na natutunan ni nanay. Parang arrangement lang ng tissue na lalagyan natin ng fork and spoon. So, watch me. So, we're going to fold it half and then fold it again into 1/4, and then we're going to fold it going in, fold it paloob, Charles. Okay, diba? Medyo di siya perfect but it's okay. Yan. Out. And then, diba? Medyo ano natin para makita. And then, another fold. Another fold. Diba? Kailangan two color para makikita yung design niya. And then, here we are. Diba? Then we have to fold that, like that. Pero yung yung tissue ko maliit. Pwede lang siya sa maliliit na. Then another fold. You can just make it like, it's okay. Then, I just put that inside for just to hold it. Diba? So, ganyan yung likod. Ganyan yung harap. O, diba? Then, you can now put that. Put that. O, diba? Ang galing. Diba? Ang galing. Ang galing, ang galing, ang galing. O, diba? O, see? Ouch. O, diba? O, diba? Ang ganda. Okay. Ayan. Nakagawa tayo na. Cute na panglalagyan ng na